These oven roasted crinkled fries are going to be a favorite once you try out the recipe, because they're going to turn out very flavorful, delicious, and perfectly roasted. You're going to start off by peeling 6 to 10 medium potatoes, and I've already done that, and the potatoes are also clean. So the next step is to cut the potatoes into crinkled fries. And to do that, I'm going to be using a crinkled knife to cut out my potatoes. So to start off, you're going to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to line your baking tray with parchment paper, but I'm going to be using a non-stick baking tray. So I'm going to keep that aside, and as my oven is preheating, I'm going to cut out my potatoes. So using my knife, I'm going to slice my potatoes. So once done, I'm going to transfer to my bowl. Then I'm going to chop off the rest of the potatoes. Once I'm done, I'm going to transfer my potatoes into my bowl, and then I'm going to be washing my potatoes for around 1 to 2 times until the water runs clear. The water is going to be very cloudy when you add in your potatoes because of starch. So washing the potatoes will get rid of the excess starch. This is how your potatoes should be looking like after washing until the water is clear. So using a paper towel, you're going to pat dry your potatoes. So the next step is to season our potatoes, and I'm going to be adding in a couple of spices and cooking oil. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, salt, garlic powder, paprika, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Go in with my hands and massage in the spices on the potatoes, making sure all the potatoes are fully coated with the delicious seasoning. Cajun seasoning is a combination of several spices which make some delicious and very flavorful spices. So once done, I'm going to transfer into my non-stick baking tray. Making sure the potatoes are on a single layer. Adding the remaining marinade on my potatoes. And then I'm going to be baking my crinkled potatoes at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. And then the potatoes are going to turn out very crispy and delicious. My oven is ready. It's been 40 minutes and my crinkled fries are ready. Wow, everything looks so delicious. I'm going to keep this. I'm even salivating because this is just perfect. So immediately I remove the fries from the oven. I'm going to sprinkle with some more extra salt. Then I'm going to be serving myself so that you can check out how delicious the fries are looking. Listen to how crispy the potatoes are. So this is a very nice way that you can serve up some delicious fries and everyone is going to enjoy. It's creative, it's looking good, and it's perfectly oven roasted. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy and simple recipe.